Imagine living in a majestic setting, just a 15-minute non-freeway drive, local street drive to the University of Michigan, hospitals, fine dining and shopping in downtown Ann Arbor. The subdivision is beautifully landscaped with several nature trails that meander through the area, leading to multiple serene ponds perfect for quiet reflection or a leisurely day of fishing. The trails are not just for tranquility. Golf enthusiasts can take advantage of the private trail access to the Radrick Farms Golf Course. Residents enjoy exclusive amenities surrounded by the natural beauty. For those who enjoy an active lifestyle, Mathai Farm provides a well-equipped clubhouse and tennis court. These facilities support a healthy and social lifestyle, facilitating community gatherings and personal fitness. The clubhouse serves as a central hub for residents, hosting events and activities that strengthen the bonds within this close-knit community. Living here is about more than just enjoying upscale amenities, it's about embracing a lifestyle that values nature, community, and history, all within a beautifully maintained and supportive environment. Welcome to 5519 Great Hawk Circle, an exquisite home nestled within the visionary Mathai Farm community, drawing inspiration from Frank Lloyd Wright's architectural brilliance. With its unparalleled craftsmanship, stunning surroundings, and array of amenities, this home offers an extraordinary retreat where every day feels like a getaway. This residence seamlessly blends timeless elegance with modern convenience. The lush grounds provide a private oasis with manicured gardens. Despite its idyllic setting, this remarkable home is conveniently located, minutes from major highways and downtown Ann Arbor, offering residents the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience.